So this is the first year that I have a kid running around the yard playing with everything, and I realize he sticks everything in his mouth. So if he's gonna eat some grass, I'd rather not be covered in pesticides and other chemicals from like a weed and feed. This year I'm gonna try to do a more natural approach, just introduce maybe iron, some nitrogen, water, and mow often to kind of give ourselves like a really nice lawn to play in. So you can see here how it's actually almost like all clover right here. And then over here you get a little bit of grass, but then over here it's like more clover. And stuff like this is probably not helping. If you see here, once I lift it up, there's this little track because the hose has been sitting on it all day. Our street is kind of strange. You can go up the road and there's these like $1 million homes, but then if you go down the street, there's like these trailer homes. So it's such a wide range of different types of lawn care, like levels of lawn care. And mine was gradually going towards like the crappier end of town. So like looking at the nicer homes where the professionals are taking care of it, there's like nothing but grass, and it's really thick, luscious grass. Really thick, luscious grass. Wow, that's hard to say. But anyways, I want to try to see if I can get closer to that level without necessarily hiring a full-time professional lawn care crew. Growing up, I've only ever been told to just basically mow the grass. I wasn't even ever told to water my lawn. So I know very little about lawn care, and this is kind of my first step in trying to treat my yard a little bit better. All right, so then I went online, I looked for everything I can do to kind of make my grass better, and I realized that there was so much information to figure out. What I decided to do was I looked at a service that it's called Get Sunday. And what they claim to do is they send you specific packages when you need them that only contain nutrients to help your lawn grow better. They take care of the planning, the quantity, and what to send me, and I basically just follow the directions to figure out what needs to be done to get my lawn looking better. Okay, so I get it. Sometimes you need to have preen to kind of kill off the weeds in a flower bed or garden, and then other times you might need something like this to kind of clear off a patio. A lawn is different. You don't need to kill off everything that's in its path. Instead, just promote the growth of the thing that you want, and it should push out the things that you don't want, right? Okay, so when you go to Get Sunday, you basically enter in your address and they will send you an email that has like a Google Maps image of your yard, and it looks like somebody has like highlighted in little boxes what it looks like, and they calculate the square footage. So then they ship you how much of everything they think you need. And then along with that, there's instructions on when to apply it, in what order, and wait for how long in between. So it's really well laid out. I honestly just have to read it and do it. So anyways, you can see here that my current box that I have here was shipped on April 17th. And it includes a bag of Fescue Rescue, 5 pounds of grass seeds. I got my soil test kit in here, 2 bottles of Dandelion Doom, Mighty Green, and Iron Booster. And then I also added Mosquito Delito because mosquitoes love me and I have way too many mosquitoes in the backyard. Let me open this lawn starter kit. So the 2 at the top, I got these sprayers. They attach to these bags, and I basically hose this all over my lawn. Oh, there's more stuff in there. Oh, that's nice. They do send you a shipping label that goes with this. It says, add about a cup of soil into the soil test bag. Soil can be damp but not wet. Place the bag into the shipping box and attach shipping label. So when I used to use weed and feed, it was a granular substance that I sprinkle all over. It's pesticides and herbicide all in one. Using that kind of stuff, you can track it everywhere, and it's easily ingested because it just kind of sits on top of the grass. It looks like the main ingredients here is nitrogen and iron in like a liquid form. So when you spray it on, it'll go right down to the roots and get absorbed pretty quickly. But the downside of it being liquid is that you can accidentally spray it on something and it'll stain like concrete, wood, and I thought it would stain the vinyl fencing, but turns out if I just hose it, it comes right off. In the Fescue Rescue, it looks like there's Foxhound, Turfway, and Fayette. I guess these are good for my area. I also like how they say other weeds, 0%. Now looking at the Iron Booster, it's ironically 15% nitrogen and 1.4% iron. I guess Iron Booster sounds better than Nitrogen Booster? I don't know. Then under the Mighty Green, we have 26% nitrogen and 2% potash? Potash? I don't know how to pronounce that. Now moving on to Dandelion Doom, that one is the most suspect because Look in here, it says it's 1.5% iron HEDTA, but then there's 98.5% of other. And looking on their website, it doesn't specify what others is. It just says it's derived from iron and it's some specially formulated iron chelate solution. Chelate? Again, I'm terrible with pronouncing words. So moving on to Mosquito Deleto, and this is a spray that goes on your lawn every 2 weeks as you need it, and it seems to be mostly cedar wood oil and lemongrass oil. But since this only lasts for like about 2 weeks, as it says, I'm going to sort of wait until it starts to get a lot warmer and the mosquito starts popping out before I start spraying all this everywhere. This thing was like 25 bucks, so it's not really that cheap either. So I believe the first step is to apply our Dandelion Doom to the grass. Ha! Found one! These buggers are everywhere. So I just finished spraying. The bottle sucks. I'm glad this thing is non-toxic because it's all over my hands. It just runs down the bottle. It's just coming out of here like a sieve. Hopefully I'm not part dandelion because I'd be dead. And then a few days later, I sprayed on Iron Booster, and then a couple weeks after that, the Mighty Green. And then I put the Fescue to the rescue. So hopefully this Fescue Rescue that they sent us is more drought resistant and it'll hold through those hot summer days. If you want to join me on this experiment, there's a link down below where you get $25 off of any of your packages, and I think I get $25 too, but it's probably going to be for like next year's subscription, obviously, because I purchased everything for this year. I'm not exactly sure how that works for everyone, but I think it gets you $25 off right from the start. So give it a shot. Let me know like how your progress is going, and we can compare notes. But just to clear things up, there's no way I'm recommending Get Sunday yet because I haven't really seen that drastic of results, so it's probably going to be an ongoing project for at least a year. So I'm just going to keep following through with the program. They're going to send me another box in a couple months. I'll apply it all as directed, and we'll see by the end of the season if it actually looks better this year than it did last year. Other than that, I guess I will see you when the grass is a little greener. I mean, if it doesn't turn green, I just wasted my money, so press the like button, help me out, okay? Thanks, bye.